Check out this Ram 2018 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT included, electronically controlled throttle, gross vehicle weight, 6,350 pounds, heavy-duty engine cooling, next-generation engine controller, engine oil heat exchanger, Hemi batch heavy-duty transmission oil cooler, quick order package, 26-bit Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFK, Tradesman package, 3.92 rear axle ratio, diesel gray black heavy-duty vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFK, tires, P265/70 R17 BSW as, STD,